Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I am PD Rajani working here as functional consultant. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about account hierarchies in Oracle Fusion application. So this is the overview of trees. Trees are hierarchical data models that you can use to organize data, apply business rules, control data access and improve performance while querying. To work with trees in the setup and maintenance work area, use any of the following tasks. First, manage tree structures. To create and update tree structure, you must first define a tree structure to create a tree. Manage trees and tree versions. To create and update trees and their versions. Manage tree labels. To create and update tree labels. So in the given figure, you can see how the hierarchy works. You can see that NL have two locations, that is NL USA and the other one is NL Canada. Under NL USA, we have two offices, that is NL USA Corporate Office and NL NAPA is the second office. Under NL USA Corporate Office, it have two sub offices, that is NL USA Corporation Office and NL USA Headquarters. In NL NAPA, it has two offices, that is NL Marketing US NAPA and NL Sales US NAPA. In the NL Canada company, there are two offices, that is NL Stocking Canada Limited and NL Shipping Canada Limited. In the next picture, you can see how it create hierarchy. In the given picture, you can see how accounting hierarchy works. Total NL companies is the parent one, under which NL USA is there, that is parent 2. Under NL USA, there is NL USA Corporate Office. This is parent 3, under which there is NL USA Corporation Office. This is child. This is the hierarchy. Now, how to manage tree hierarchies? Tree structures. Tree structures provide you the framework to organize data such that you can establish a hierarchy for use by the tree. Tree. A tree is an instance of the tree structure. The root node is the highest nodal point of a tree. Child nodes branch off from the root node. Tree versions. Versions of trees are maintained to track all the changes that a tree undergoes in its life cycle. Tree versions. Tree labels are short names given to trees and tree structure. Now we will see how to practically manage accounting hierarchies in Oracle Fusion application. Go to setup and maintenance. Go to task list. Click on manage implementation project. Select your project. Search here manage account hierarchies. Click on this task. Click on go to task option. These are already created hierarchies. We have to create new one. Click on create tree. Here you have to give the name. Select tree structure. Select accounting flex field hierarchy. The description field is optional. Click on accounting flex field hierarchy details value. Here give the value set code that you have to bind with it. This was the details value and this is the parent value. Click on save. Click on next. Again click on next and then click on submit. Search your tree. Select it and create tree version. Now we will create tree version. Give the name here. Description and note is optional. Here the effective start date is mandatory section. Click on next. A new blank tree version created successfully. Click OK to do node operations. Click on OK. Now click on submit. Tree version NL1 tree version for tree NL1 tree created successfully. Click on OK. Now we will go to repository provided by Oracle. This is the repository provided by Oracle. From here we can download the sheet for hierarchies. This is the sheet. We will go to. So this is the repository provided by Oracle. From here we can download the sheet for loading hierarchies in the application. We have to click on import segment values and hierarchies. Now we have to download this sheet. Click on it. This is chart of accounts, segment values and hierarchies import template. We have to download it. Click on it. Click on download file. Click on open file. Go to instruction and CSV generation sheet. First of all, enable it for editing. Now go to GL segment value interface. Here you have to give value set code. Our value set code is NL1 account. Go to GL segment higher interface. Here you give the value set code, and tree version name. So our value set code is NL1 account. Our tree code is NL1 tree. Tree version name is NL1 tree version. Now validate this segment hierarchy. Click on validate segment hierarchy. Validation completed. Click on OK. Go to GL segment value interface. Click on validate segment values. Validation completed. Click on OK. Go to instruction sheet. Now generate CSV. Click on save. Okay. Now we will again go to our application. Go to Navigator. Go to Tools. Click on Schedule Processes. Click on Schedule New Process. Find Load Interface File or for import. Search the process from here. Load Interface File for import. Click on Search. Click on OK. Now we have to import process. That means we have to load the sheet that we have created here. And we have to select import segment values and hierarchy. You can see here job and table links. You have to schedule process for import segment values and hierarchies. Select the data file that you want to upload. Click on upload a new file. This is our file. Click on open. Now click on OK. Click on submit. This is how we submit this process. Now click on refresh. Here you can see the transfer file is succeeded. Now we will go to our project to see how hierarchies are loaded in the project. Again, go to setup and maintenance. Go to task list. Click on manage implementation project. Click on your project. Here search manage chart of accounts. Value set values. Click on this task, manage chart of account value set values. Go to task option. From here, search your value set code. Click on manage values. Here you can see all the values are loaded here as hierarchy. We haven't given these values here, but due to uploading that sheet, we have these values here. This is how we can create account hierarchies in the Oracle Fusion application. Thank you so much for watching the video.